Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram not working problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So guys, to fix the Instagram not working problem, what you have to do, you have to go to this Play Store first, and then after going to this Play Store, here you have to search for Instagram here. So after searching for Instagram, you can see here this type of interface will be pop up, and here you will find an option to update your Instagram. So make sure to update your Instagram first, and then after updating you can check whether it is working or not. So guys, the second step which I'm going to show you is that you make sure that your internet connection is well okay and fine. And then the third step which I am going to show you is that you have to go to your phone settings, and then here you have to just go scroll down, and then you have to go to apps options here, or install apps, or anything that is related to apps on your device. And then here you can see you will find manage apps, dual apps. So go to manage apps option, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. So these are the application which has been installed to your phone. So what you have to do is just simply you need to select for Instagram, and then here you can see storage usage. Simply click on the storage usage, and then you have to clear the cache here. You can see here on the bottom, you can see here clear caches. Simply click on clear caches and both the data also. So you have to do both. And then after this, go back and after this, go to settings again, go to the same thing, go to Instagram, and then here you will find an option app permission button. Simply click on app permission button, and then you have to allow each and every permission here. You can see here I have allowed it each and every permission. Now you can check whether your Instagram is working or not. So guys, in this way you can fix your problem. And also if it doesn't work, then the last solution what you can do is you can just go and uninstall your application, reinstall it, and then you can try it out whether it is working or not. And the bonus solution for you is that you have to go to your phone settings once again, and then you can check whether your system is asking for an update or not. So let me just go back. Here you can see system update. So if your system is asking for an update, you have to make sure to update your system. So in this way you can fix this problem. I hope this video will absolutely help you out to fix the problem. Thanks for watching.